Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to see the topic is factorization using synthetic division. Before we are going to that exercise, first of all, we should know that one important concept, that is to identify x minus 1 and x plus 1 or the factor of a polynomial. So, x minus 1 is a factor. How will you find that x minus 1 is a factor of that polynomial p of x? That is, sum of the coefficient is 0. The sum of the coefficient is, that is, we add that all the coefficient we are getting 0 means x minus 1 is a factor. Next, how will you find that x plus 1 is a factor? That is, sum of the coefficient of even power of x is equal to sum of the coefficient of odd power of x. What he is saying is, sum of the coefficient of even power of x, that is even power of x we should add, is equal to sum of the coefficient of odd power of x. If both are equal means, that is x plus 1 is a factor. Exercise 3.8, the first question, factorize each of the following polynomials using synthetic division. The first one, x cube minus 3x square minus 10x plus 24. That question I have written. Solution. The given question is, we should take p of x. P of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 10x plus 24. First of all, I am checking that x minus 1 is a factor or not. What is the condition I told? Sum of the coefficient is 0. That is, when you add all the coefficient, you should get 0. If you are getting 0, x minus 1 is a factor. So that is, I am written here sum of the coefficient. So I am taking the coefficient. X cube coefficient is 1. Here no number means it is 1. X square coefficient is minus 3. X coefficient is minus 10. This is constant 24. So you add this one. This is a coefficient I have taken. You add. So here I am adding the positive number. 1 plus 24 is 25. Minus 3 minus 10 is minus 13. 25 minus 13 is 12. You are getting a number. You are not getting 0. That means x minus 1 is not a factor. If you are getting 0 means x minus 1 is a factor. It is not a factor, you should write. Second step. Next I am going to check that one. X plus 1 is a factor or not. What is that condition? Sum of the coefficient of even power and constant term is equal to sum of the coefficient of odd power. So here I am coming to that question. See here even power. What is even power? This is power is even. This power is 3. It is odd. Next, this power is 1. It is odd. So here constant term. First even power coefficient is minus 3. That is, here I am written it is minus 3. Then constant is 24 plus 24. So here I am written that is minus 3 plus 24 is equal to. Another side it is sum of the coefficient of odd power. Odd power is what it is? Cube is a odd power. So here coefficient is 1. Next odd power is x power 1 is odd power is 1. So here coefficient is minus 10. So 1 minus 10. That is, I am written that one sum of the coefficient of odd power. So 1 minus 10. Here minus 3 plus 24 is minus 21. 1 minus 10 is minus 9. What is the condition? Both the side you should get equal. You are getting equal or no? So it is not equal. So I am written that one not equal symbol. So what is that is? Therefore, x plus 1 is not a factor. If you are getting equal means x plus 1 is a factor. Here not same. So x plus 1 is not a factor. Next step, what is I am going to find is when x is equal to 2. After that I am writing is x is equal to 2. In p of x place, in x place I am writing as 2. So p of 2 is equal to 2 cube minus 3 into 2 square minus 10 into 2 plus 24. That means in the question in x place I am putting as 2. Now simplify this one. 2 cube, 2 into 2 into 2 is 8 minus 3 into 2 square is 4 minus 10 2s are 20 plus 24. So 8, 3 4s are 12 minus 20 plus 24 is plus 4. Then 8 plus 4 is 12. This one is minus 12. So 12 minus 12 is 0. Here you are getting is 0. That means what number we have taken? 2. That means x minus 2 is a factor. If you are getting here minus 2, the answer is coming as 0, means the x plus 1 is a factor. Here I am taking as 2. That means x minus 2 is a factor. Factor means what we should write here by using that synthetic method, that all the quotient you should write whatever the given in that quotient. So here coefficient is 1, here coefficient is minus 3, minus 10, 24. Here 2 is a factor here telling now. So here I am taking that 2, 0, 1 plus 0 is 1. 2 1s are 2, 3, minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. So minus 10 minus 2 is minus 12. 2 into minus 12 is minus 24. Here plus 24 minus 24 is 0. Therefore, how will we write this one as p of x? This is x minus 2 is here. That 2 comes down, that can be written as x minus 2. Here minus 2 we are taking means x plus 2 here you should write. So x minus 2, this is constant, this one is x term, this one is square term. That is here I am written x square minus x minus 24. See here x minus 2 I am written as it is. This is quadratic equation format. Already we saw that in one of the exercise. That is here I am written here. See the rough column. X square term is square term, there is no coefficient. So directly we can take that last number, it is minus 12. Here it is coefficient is minus 1, here I am written. So what number it is possible? It is minus 4 into plus 3. Minus 4 plus 3 is minus 12. Here minus 4 plus 3 is, when you add, it is minus 1. So here directly we can write that one as x minus 2 as it is. Instead of this, here I am using that x minus 4, x plus 3. This is our factor for that question. So our answer is x minus 2 into x minus 4 into x plus 3. Second question, 2x cube minus 3x square minus 3x plus 2. That given question name is p of x. First I am finding that sum of the coefficient. So coefficient is 2, x square coefficient is minus 3, x coefficient is minus 3 plus 2. You add this positive number, 2 plus 2 is 4, minus 3 is minus 6. So 4 minus 6 is you are getting minus 2. You are not getting 0. That is not equal to 0. That means x minus 1 is not a factor I am written. Next step what you should find, x plus 1 is a factor or not. For that condition is sum of the coefficient of even power and constant term is equal to sum of the coefficient of odd powers. So come to a question, see here, even power is this is, so minus 3, next constant is 2. So minus 3 plus 2 I am written this side is equal to, this side it is odd power is this one and this one. So 2 minus 3. That is what I told, I am written here. So minus 3 plus 2, here 2 minus 3. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1, 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Both are getting equal. That means x plus 1 is a factor. If it is equal means x plus 1 is a factor. Then what you should write, it is x plus 1 is a factor. No, it means x value is minus 1. Here you should write, in this synthetic division you write all the coefficient of given in that question. That is here I am written 0, 2 plus 0 is 2. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2, minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5, minus 1 into minus 5 is plus 5, minus 3 plus 5 is 2, then minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. When you add this, you are getting is 0. So how will you write this one as p of x, means that is a question name I am given, no, that is p of x is equal to, here minus 1, no, that can be written as x plus 1. Here you should write 2x square minus 5x plus 2. By using the quadratic equation method, here see this one, in x square having a coefficient, so you should multiply these two. See here 2 2s of 4, that both are plus, so here you should write plus 4. This is minus 5. You write that one as what number it is possible, it is minus 4 minus 1. So 4 minus 4 into minus 1 is plus 4. Both are minus, now when you add you will get minus 5. So this and I am written, so x plus 1, 2x square, instead of this we can write minus 4x minus 1x, that can be written as minus x plus 2. So x plus 1, here you should take the common, what is the common is 2x, so remaining you have x minus 2. Here there is no common, so here you should write that one as 1. Minus also I am taking as common, minus 1. So if I take minus as common means the negative number come plus, positive number come minus. So here x minus 2. See here 2 term is there. In this 2 term what is common? It is x minus 2. So remaining you have 2x minus 1. Our factor is what it is? X plus 1, x minus 2 into 2x minus 1. Third question, minus 7x plus 3 plus 4x cube. So you should write arrange in standard form. So p of x is equal to the highest degree term is cube. So first you should write that one as 4x cube. Next you should have square term. There is no square term in that question. For that you should write plus 0x square. Next you should have x term is there. So write that as minus 7x plus constant term is given that one as plus 3. I arranged that one. That means it is a standard form. First of all, I am finding that sum of the coefficient. That is x minus 1 is a factor or not. Sum of the coefficient is what? 4 plus 0 minus 7 plus 3. You add the positive number. 4 plus 3 is 7. Here it is minus 7. 7 minus 7 is 0. You are getting 0. That means x minus 1 is a factor. If it is a factor means you should write that as in synthetic division. So x minus 1 means it is plus 1. Then here write the coefficient 4, 0, minus 7, 3. I am written that coefficient. Then you should write 0. 0, 4 plus 0 is 4. 1 into 4 is 4. 0 plus 4 is 4. 1 4s are 4. Minus 7 plus 4 is minus 3. 1 into minus 3 is minus 3. Plus 3 minus 3 is 0. So you are getting 0. How should write that once p of x is equal to, this is plus 1 means x minus 1 into 4x square plus 4x minus 3. We should find the value for this one, that is factor. So here 4 3s are 12. Here plus 4 it is minus 3. So it comes minus 12. Okay. In the middle what you are having plus 4. Here I am written what factor it is possible. You see this one. Minus 2 into 6. It is minus 12. When you multiply you are getting minus 12. When you add or subtract you are getting it is 4. So minus 2 plus 6 is 4. So here I am substituting that one, x minus 1 into 4 x square. Instead of this I am substituting here it is minus 2x plus 6x minus 3. Then x minus 1, take the common. What is here? The first two term common is 2x. So remaining you are having 2x minus 1. Then plus, here common is 3 table. So I am taking as 3. So remaining is 6 in 3 table is 2 times. So 2x minus 3 is 1 times. So 2x minus 1. Now we are getting a 2 term. In this 2 term what is the common? It is 2x minus 1. That is I am taking. So remaining you are having is 2x plus 3. So our answer is x minus 1 into 2x minus 1 into 2x plus 3.